I'm here to talk to you guys about the Man Breakthrough Experience. I just came out of the seminar and I just want to encourage all the women out there who are searching for something bigger than themselves to engage in this process, to come to this seminar. It's going to help you because it's not about the man, it's about you, and it's about like bringing as much love into your life as possible and about being vulnerable and just kind of being present and allowing yourself to really be seen. And I've done a lot of spiritual work in my life, and I came into this weekend thinking that I had all the tools that I needed, and you know, I didn't really know what to expect, but I was open, and I learned, everything was built in such a way, everything was done in such a way that it leads you to this moment where you walk out of the doors and, I don't know, I feel like something inside of me just like broke open, and I was seeking for like another level. Like I'd done so much work, but I felt like I was getting stagnant, and I didn't know what else to do, so I just agreed to come. A friend asked me to come, and I made the leap of faith, and I'm here, and I was kind of questioning, after the first day, whether or not this was, if I was really gonna get anything extra. And now that I'm out, I can tell you that I feel so alive, and I feel so excited. And Kute has a way, like he knows what he's doing. Like you may not understand it at first, but by the time you're out, you're just like in so much gratitude. So I encourage everyone out there to do this and to come, and you won't regret it. So thanks.